Hello and welcome to Hard Way Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we're working on a 2009 Honda Civic. We're doing the rear struts. And the rear struts look pretty bad, but they're pretty easy to do. You've just got a 14mm bolt, and then you tear out the carpeting. You got a 14mm nut on top. So to remove that, you take the centerpiece out, which is just your little tray thing. You fold the seat back, and then you remove all these little floor clips. So we got one here. These ones you just screw out. Here, here. And then there's one hidden back here. Oh yeah, and to remove the carpeting, you also need to remove this rear straight guard thing. That just pulls kind of straight up, and there's several tabs retaining that to the back of the trunk. It's good to have these trim tools. Take a ratcheting wrench and a 5mm hex and just knock your camera loose. $14mm. Blast that off into smithereens. I almost thought that one wasn't coming. Oh, just like that. Alright, so it has this diagram on the order. Put a washer on, skinny side up, go rubber bushing. And then we've got this guy, which I think we want to feed through a little ways. Then we feed this up from the bottom and cut this off. So we're going to get the lower bolt in first. And we will torque that to 37 foot-pounds, I believe. Then it goes bushing skinny side up, washer, and then nut. What I did was I just jacked up the rear control arm so that it pushes the shock up enough to start the threads on this nut. And then the new nut is a little shorter than the OEM nut, which gives you a little more room to grab the top of this to tighten. You basically just want to tighten it to a certain amount of foot-pounds, but you can't really do that when you gotta hold it. So you will feel it bottom out and kind of start fighting you, and that should be tight enough.